is Kevin at CIT 2008. It sounds very impressive, but it's actually all about instructional technology. It's a conference on instructional technology. And with me now is Ken Fujiyuchi of Buffalo State College, right?
Yeah, Buffalo State College.
Okay, and so I'm going to ask you just a simple question. What is your top 3 most favorite Web 2.0 tool for doing research?
For doing research?
Yeah. Or for educational use, like for your classes.
Okay. I would probably have to say Delicious, just because I rely on that to keep track of all the research I do, bookmarks and stuff like that. I don't know if this would count, but NetNewsWire, only because it's the one place where all my RSS feeds gather, and that's where I find most of my inspiration. And I would have to say right now it's been Twitter, just because it's gotten me to connect with a lot of people that I haven't met with in a while, and it's opened up a lot more communication.
So have you actually asked people questions and they bounce back with answers and stuff?
Actually, it's more like I see them doing something and then I'll send them a direct message or an email, or just even contact them through some other communication. But it's a trigger that starts the conversation. I'm not used to it enough to actually have the conversation on Twitter.
Okay, but I think that's the primary use of it. Yeah, like how you've done it. Cool. Okay, here we have Mike, right?
Hi,
and
Mike.
You're a student at Buffalo State.
Yes.
And what do you do over there? What's your major?
I'm an English major right now and graduating, and I want to say top 3 sites I would use the most would be the JSTOR site on the Buffalo State databases, just because I'm a college student and I can't afford a lot. But
okay.
Wikipedia, no, I'm joking. But
Wikipedia is for real, right?
Wikipedia is a thing a lot of students use, but a lot of students also use Facebook. And I want to say I'm guilty of using the Facebook for networking purposes. The other source I would say I use would just be Google Books for English students who can research elderly books, old books, and also use it for citations.
Are the entire books actually online when you find them?
Yep.
Not all of them are, right?
Not all of them, but a lot of people scan the covers, scan the pages, and a lot of problems you run into are that the scannings have people's thumbs and they're not the best quality, but it'll be interesting to see where Google Books takes it.
What's the best feature about Google Books?
Just the search in general.
Yes.
Instead of going to interlibrary loan.
It's kind of a given, right? That we finally get to search through dead books, like
true.
Yeah. So
yes.
they're alive again.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
All right,
so here's Bonnie.
I use Delicious all the time. I use Google Reader. I think that probably counts. What else do I use all the time?
One last one.
I use YouTube and Facebook and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what I use the most.
Okay. Well, the easiest way to figure it out
counts.
is if let's say Facebook, you actually manage to solve a big problem through Facebook. And yeah, that's a big issue.
I use it actually. It's helped me stay connected with colleagues at other institutions and things like that.
Yeah.
Like meet folks at conferences and then friend them on Facebook and then don't forget their names when I meet them next time.
Roger that.
So what's your list again?
Pardon?
Your top one?
Delicious is I use that all the time. Google Reader, I'm on way more than I probably should be.
Good.
And then probably Facebook, I guess.
Facebook. Okay. Do you use Twitter?
Oh, I've started using Twitter all the time.
Okay.
I was surprised you didn't mention that.
See, my brain not working.
Okay.
I'm tired.
But those
I've
are your
started
top
using
3. Okay.
Twitter, yeah.
Okay.
About last month or so, and that's actually been really interesting and really helpful.
Yeah. People sometimes put questions out there and others answer.
Yeah, posing questions, answering questions, getting advice and help, and giving advice and help occasionally and stuff like that. So that's been good.
All right. Okay. What about Mark? What do you
Go to
use?
the bathroom. I use Facebook and Delicious. Probably Flickr or Picasa, something where I can exchange photos with my family. So I use Delicious for everything, both research and personal.
Yeah.
Facebook I usually mostly professional and some personal, and then photo exchanging with Picasa or Flickr I use for personal use.
Personal, but do you find it useful in classrooms or anything like that?
I find it useful when I teach it, but I don't actually use it as a teaching mechanism. I just teach the tool, and then the students come back and tell me what they use it for.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.